Right here, just did the routes, did the treadmill, interval sprints, bike, big long distance bike, 25.5, fast shorts, right there, abs, upper body. As I said, finish up routes here. It's January 24th, 2020. Fight, grind hard every single day for what you got. Don't let somebody's attitude, don't let somebody's opinion dictate what you can and cannot do in this world. Life is too short to be worrying about other people. I've been through too much. Homeless, help out, NFL stuff, help out the homeless. Like I said before, up, down, up again. I've been rock bottom. I'm not going back there again. My goal is United Ball. My goal is championship. I don't know when I'll be out there, but like I said, it's either camp or the first few weeks of the season right there to be a part of something, to be a part of a championship, to earn everything I can, and have my son watch me play out there. People talk so much mess out there, DBs. I'm sitting there just bump their guns, all right? Go out there and show it, all right? Go out there and show it, get the opportunity, chance, go out there and show it no matter what. I know my worth, all right, on everything.